This video is going to show you how to affix the tags and secure any sets that you may be selling at the used curriculum sale. You want to make sure that you have your materials with you, you have your instructions, the set that you want to sell, elastics, tape, your tags, scissors, and a yellow highlighter. This is a set of Matthew C. Algebra 1 materials. We have a teacher book, a student text, and a DVD. And I'm going to start by attaching my tags to the book. Now you'll notice that my tags are not filled out. This is for demonstration purposes only. And you want to go ahead and you have one tag, tape on the right side and the left side. And on a set, both tags are going to go on the front of the item that you're selling. So you want to be careful that your tape is not overlapping. Don't put your tags so close together that the tape is going to be overlapping. This causes a big problem when the cashiers are trying to take your tag off when you sell the book. So let's see, make this. There we go. And so you can see I have both tags here. I made sure that my tape was as close to the exact size of the tag as I could to make it easier for it to come off. We also don't want them too short because then the tags can come off while people are handling them at the sale. So just about the right size. Be careful if you have anybody helping you with these tags that they know to be careful of that. Then what you want to do is take your highlighter and the tag on the right hand side, you're going to go ahead and just make a diagonal mark through it. That way the cashiers will know which tag to take off when you sell your set. Now we want to make sure that the set is securely held together. So for this set I'm going to use elastics. You could use Ziploc bags or something like that to do it, but for these it's always handy to have elastics. So we want to go ahead and secure this like this. We're going to put another elastic here. The rule of thumb when you're doing this is there is no such thing as too many elastics. Honestly, you want to make sure that this does not come apart. You want to make sure that the person buying the item gets everything that you've said is in the kit. So once you have some elastics on your set, you want to do what we call the shake test. So I'm going to take this, and this is still moving around quite a bit. So I want to make sure to put some more elastics on this. So I have some extra ones here. We're going to go ahead and put an extra one this way. And I'm going to grab this and stretch it out a little and put an extra one this way. And then I'm going to take this and try it one more time. You can see this is already, it's a lot more secure. But I'm just going to do one more. And so I just bought these elastics in the school supply section, the office supply section of Walmart, a big bag of them. And if you have a lot of sets, it's probably not a bad idea to bring those elastics with you the day that you drop off your books, just in case any are not quite secured well enough, you have extra elastics to do that. So you can see this is really fantastic. It's going to stay together. Everyone can still see exactly what it is that you're selling. They can see your tags. The tags are accessible for the cashiers, but everything is going to stay together and you're not going to lose anything. So this is one example of how you would put a set together. 2 tags on the front, tape not touching, yellow mark across the side, everything secured well with elastics. One final note about sets. If you do happen to use a Ziploc bag to store your items in, you want to make sure that your 2 tags are on the outside of the bag. Again, tape not touching, diagonal mark on one of the tags to make it easier for the cashiers to take that off. Either way, great way to hold your materials together, and happy tagging.